of laziness? You're the biggest good-for-nothing on this side of the universe. Do you have anything to say in your defense?
Exploration report concerning planet Nothing to See. This planet is of no interest whatsoever. End of report.
What? I'm sorry, but I beg to differ. The color of the mud all over that planet is absolutely delicious. In fact, it goes extremely well with the shade of my uniform.
Gary? Clean this shuttle for me, right away.
Sir, yes, sir.
If only everyone around here worked as hard as that guy.
Okay, everyone, ready to fire up the reactors.
Roger. E5B12 coordinates optimal.
Gyroscopes calibrated to J4.
Fill pipes cooled to H12.
F7P4.
Aircraft carrier sunk!
Commander Clark is required in the medical quarters at once. I repeat, in the infirmary.
What exactly is the matter, Jennifer?
You better come and see for yourself, sir.
Is it serious?
Yes! I've no idea how I'm going to fit in my swimsuit this summer. I've gained 4 pounds.
No, I meant about Gary.
Ah, Gary, poor thing. He's not reacting to anything.
Ow!
Wow, he's back to normal.
Great. You can get straight back to work then.
For just 99 noes, you too can have this fantastic set of 12,900.
This really isn't like him at all. He usually loves working.
That's true. Jennifer, I want a complete checkup on Gary. I want to know what's going on.
Yes, Commander. Say,
Ignition! So, Jennifer, what have you found?
Make the most of our fantastic limited offer of 3 bath mats for the price of 12. And remember, customers, for just 105 pennies more, you'll receive a bluntly paid for.
Thanks very much. I'll get this analyzed straight away. Oh my gibbons! Look at this! The green cells have been infected by a highly contagious alien germ known as the Loungi-virus. Anyone who becomes contaminated by the Loungi-virus rapidly turns into a big lazy bones.
And I have no choice. We must put Gary and Jennifer into quarantine. Otherwise, all the rest of the crew might get infected. Jean and Jean, I want you to stand guard outside the infirmary.
No one, I repeat, no one must be allowed to enter or leave this room. You could get infected.
Yes, sir. Anything you say, sir.
Okay, Gene, you can go in and check it out now.
Huh? But didn't Professor Kong say...
He only said that to keep us at bay. Now get inside. There's probably something valuable in there that we could easily resell.
It's okay. I got it.
Well, did you get anything?
Only this.
Alert! We have a level 4 contagion. Level 4.
Commander, I'm detecting a serious overheating problem down in the machine room.
Chief Porco, report!
Chief Porco! You're looking a little queasy right now. I hope you haven't got a case of Loungi-virus.
G4B3.
You sunk my torpedo boat.
Excuse me. I just have to go out for a couple of minutes.
Professor Kong, you too?
Oh, no, not at all. I was just taking a break.
It's awful. Apart from us two, all the crew members have been infected.
Especially as I haven't yet isolated an antidote.
What are we going to do?
Oh. Oops, I pressed the wrong button. I wanted the shopping and wrestling channel.
Wait!
Incredible! Those lazy cells in Bruno's body are naturally immune to the Loungi-virus.
Your attention, please. This is an emergency. Bruno has succumbed to Professor Kong's laboratory at once.
Okay, I'm coming. What is he playing at, for dog's sake? I sent for him 2 days ago.
Aha!
It's Bruno. Oh no! We're heading straight for a gas giant!
A gas giant is a huge planet that is made up exclusively of gases, like Saturn or Jupiter. Juan Carlos can also be considered a gas giant of sorts.
This is serious. The Ark is going to crash into that gas giant. The only way we can avoid disaster is by getting back onto our normal route again. We need 2 people to carry out the operation. Me at the commands, plus a navigator to push the lever at the precise moment. Are you getting this? Ready? When I give the signal, I want you to push the lever to the left. Bruno? Bruno! Bruno!
What?
Go on, Bruno. You're the best. You can do it. You can push that lever.
All right. But can I take a few weeks holiday before I go, please?
No!
All right. Maybe a little fishing trip then?
No!
A 20-minute nap?
Listen, Bruno, if you push that lever, I promise I'll give you a 2-week vacation in Lazy Bones land paid for by the International Federation. Well, what do you think about that?
How about 2 years?
Don't push it. 3 weeks.
It's a deal.
Go on, Bruno. You're nearly there. Bruno! We're saved!
Working is not good for me. In fact, I think it's given me a bad cold. Get
out of there, you big lazy bones! I've got work to do. Yapping chihuahuas! There's our antidote!
Achoo! 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 Achoo!
It's so lucky I was there. If I hadn't fallen off my chair at the right moment, Bruno would have never been able to push the lever at the right time.
What a hero!
Can we have a little silence, please? We are all gathered here this evening to recognize the amazing bravery of somebody among us. I am, of course, talking about Bruno.
That good for nothing? A hero? Huh, what a joke.
He saved the Ark. So to reward him, I've decided to give him not only a vacation, but also the highest distinction in the International Federation. Where'd you go?
Identity badges.
Come on, Jelly, you know it's us. Look, I've got Elmer's face. That means I'm Elmer.
I've got Lionel's butt. That means I'm Lionel.
Federation rules state that you must wear your pass at all times. Your general appearance also breaks a number of Federation rules. Your uniforms are messy.
Hey, what can we say? We like to eat.
You're chewing gum.
Oh, what makes you think we're chewing gum?
And Lionel, your high hair is higher than acceptable Federation hair height.
My high hair is only high because you just zapped me.
Sorry, I'm only following Federation rules, and your punishment is a zap for every offense.
Ah! We're gonna have to teach her a lesson.
Oh, yeah.
Smoking hair is against Federation rules. The punishment is 1 zap.
How far are we from the sun?
2 light years.
What's the booster rocket output?
22.3.
When's lunch?
Astronomers measure distance in space by light years. A light year is the distance a beam of light travels in 1 year. 1 light year equals 10 million kilometers. This is much further than a sloth year, which is the distance a sloth travels in 1 year. That's only about 10 meters.
Juan Carlos, what are you doing?
There's a piece of ice cream left in the corner. I just can't reach it. Ah! My head is stuck. I can get it loose. My horns are wet. It's okay. I'm all right.
Commander Clark, your laugh isn't very, commanderly.
What do you mean?
Well, action heroes usually have a deep, manly laugh, and yours is, well, just a little bit crazy.
Foxy?
That's okay, Kitty. He's right. It's not a laugh fitting for a Federation commander.
But, Commander, we all love your laugh.
It's gonna have to change!
Free at last. Have I got any on my face?
Ha 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 ha!
Was that you laughing?
Oh, yes, Admiral Slurp. I was just taking my laugh in a new direction.
Good work, Clark. That's a restrained, manly, commanderly laugh. Just like mine. Ha 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 ha.
Ha 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 ha! Ho 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 ho!
Foxy, what have you done?
Hey, Leo. Bet you can't hack into the Federation central computer.
Bet you I can.
Bet you this piece of green string that you can't.
It's a bat. There, did it.
You won. The green string's yours.
Ha! There's not many things a smart guy like me can't do. Just a minute. What are you guys doing hacking into the Federation computer, Guys?
Please present your identity badge. What's the scribble on your photo?
I had some zits in my picture, so I colored them in.
That's against Federation rules, Junior.
Ah! Hey, that's not fair!
I'm just following Federation rules. Hey, there's a new rule up here. Now, every crew member must present an identity badge and a rubber chicken? An unusual addition to Federation rules, but Admiral Schlurp must have his reasons.
But I haven't got a rubber chicken.
Then you don't get past me! Have you all got your identity badges?
Yeah.
Yeah. Have you all got your rubber chickens?
Yeah.
Then you can all go. Just a minute. Another rule has been added. Now you all have to balance a bowl of green jelly on your head. Not my fault. I don't make the rules.
Penguin calling General Rex. The Ark is in chaos.
Excellent. Animatronics, prepare to attack! Prepare to attack the Ark, you fools! Not me!
Sorry.
I have a joke for you, Commander. Why did the otter cross the playground?
I don't know.
To get to the otter's side!
I miss the commander's old laugh.
This is all your fault.
What are we gonna do?
Maybe if we make Clark laugh, and I mean really laugh, he'll forget this silly fake one.
Great idea, Kitty! Commander, look! I'm being amusing! Crazy hair! I am funny! Laugh at me! Me! Ha 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 ha! Very amusing, Foxy!
It's gonna take more than that to crack him up.
Actually, I think this thing looks pretty good on me. Of course, most things do.
Schlurp has added another rule. Everyone has to hop now.
All the crew members are held up in reception by that stupid jellyfish. There's no one around to sound the emergency alarm.
Invasion of the Ark couldn't be easier.
Jelly, let them pass. We need the crew.
The Ark's in trouble.
I can't let anyone pass reception. Admiral Schlurp keeps making new rules.
Actually, it's us who are making the new rules.
What?
And General Rex is taking over the Ark because of it.
What? But I can't leave reception. It says so in the rules.
Don't worry. We'll change them.
Now that we've finally taken over the Ark, we'll have to find a new hobby. Maybe line dancing.
Hold it right there. Invading the Ark is not allowed.
You think you can stop us on your own? The rest of the crew are stuck at reception, remember? All because of your stupid rules.
Actually, there's now only one rule around here.
Every crew member must defend the Ark at all costs.
Permission to run away and scream like a lady, sir.
Permission granted.
It's no good. We're just not making him laugh hard enough.
All this worrying about the commander's laugh is making me hungry.
My head is in a carton of ice cream. I'm frozen.
some green string to tie him up. It went further than I thought.
That was so funny. I haven't enjoyed a laugh like that for ages.
Wasn't that more fun than that silly commanderly laugh?
Absolutely. I think I'm gonna stick with my natural laugh. Okay, it's a little crazy, but it's me. Yay! That's great, but maybe you should do something about the way you talk.
Foxy? Where are you two off to, huh?
Nowhere!
Did you know that the punishment for changing Federation rules is 100 zaps?
No!
Is the punishment really 100 zaps?
No, I just made that up. Should keep them out of the way for a few weeks.
General Rex. General Rex. General Rex. General Rex. General Rex.
The show is over. See you soon. Come on back. Commander Clark.
Gloria's got even bigger, which isn't surprising considering she tastes everything she cooks.
And have you ever smelled Kong's breath?
Oh, don't remind me. It stinks of bananas. It's disgusting. Oh, and did you see that George has decided to grow a moustache?
I know. He looks so cute now. In fact, can I see your badge?
Here it is.
Oh, this doesn't match. Much better.
Jelly, I've got a secret to tell you.
I love secrets.
Every evening, Commander Clark plays with his favorite stuffed toy. It's a sheep named Kiki. He can't sleep without it. Isn't that cute?
That's so adorable. Hey, how'd you find that out?
Because I...
You spy on Clark every night when he goes to bed. Don't worry, Kitty. It's a secret. I won't tell anybody.
Right. I've got to get to work now, Jelly.
Hey, I've never seen this light come on before. I wonder if it means the meal's ready. Or maybe it means the toilets are taken.
That's the alarm button, Commander.
Oh, yes, I knew that. I was just testing you.
Ooh, that's a clongan.
Commander Clark, I need your help urgently. My ship has hit a meteorite. It's drifting into space as we speak.
Hold on tight. The Ark will come to your rescue. I want you to know I really hate
Needles?
Just hearing the word makes me shiver.
But, Elmer, you're the only one on the ship who hasn't had the space flu vaccination. Besides, it'll all be over in a jiffy.
Can't you just give me some juicy gossip instead? You always have something spicy to say about the crew.
No. I can't. Yes, I do. I have something very tasty to tell you concerning Commander Clark. The first, vaccination.
Hey, everyone. You'll never guess what I found out about Commander Clark.
Thank you for saving us, Commander.
Us?
I was taking these tourists to Mars to climb up Mount Olympus.
Mount Olympus is the biggest volcano in the universe. It stands 18 miles high, which is 3 times bigger than Mount Everest, the highest mountain on Earth. That's even bigger than my emergency banana pile. Of course, that keeps getting smaller.
Welcome to the Ark. I want you to feel at home here. I would, however, request that you stay in the areas that are set aside for you. And that's... Foxy? What's so funny?
Oh, nothing, Commander. I'm not laughing. Well, I am, but... Oh, after all, why shouldn't you cuddle up to a stuffed little sheep named Kiki every night in bed?
Hey, how do you know about that, Foxy?
Everyone on the ship knows, Commander. It was Kitty who told us. She watches you every night when you go to bed.
Foxy, tell Kitty to come and see me.
Commander, the crew members are asking for uniforms with more buttons. Oh, I mean buttons. And not in cotton, but in wool.
Yeah, Bob, real funny. Ah, Kitty, you're gonna have to stop all this nighttime spying on me. I'm the laughing stock of the ship thanks to you. Now everyone knows about my little Kiki.
Of course, Commander.
Besides, why have you been watching me go to sleep?
I have to go and help Kong to peel a bunch of bananas. Please excuse me, Commander.
Jelly! You let out my secret! What? No! I didn't say anything to anyone, I swear!
I can't believe you did a thing like that. You're not my friend anymore.
But I didn't say anything! You have to believe me!
Over here, finish our rule.
It's quite natural for you to want to take a photo of me. After all, you don't get the chance to see such a fine specimen as me every day. However, I don't take kindly to you lollygagging around in my silk sheets and ostrich feather pillows. Get out of my room!
Bravo! Oh, nice one. 20 points.
Wanna play? You get 10 points for the arms, 5 for the legs, and 30 for the helmet.
Okay, who was that?
It was Kiki!
The clongans are seriously misbehaving, Commander. They totally wrecked my bed.
I don't even dare tell you what they did to my banana plant.
They've been playing darts on our spacesuits.
And they had a food fight in the middle of the cafeteria. This has got to stop!
How come the clongans are wandering around in parts of the ship where only crew are allowed? What's Jelly doing?
Commander, some clongans have taken off in the shuttles.
Oh, no. Come on, Kitty. Let's bring those mopheads back to the Ark by their pigtails.
At your command, Commander.
Are you joining in the race with us, Commander?
No, forget about the race. Bring these shuttles back to the ship at once.
Well, that's a shame. We were having fun.
Follow Kitty back to the ship now.
Oh, all right.
okay?
Yes, no problem, Commander. I'm ejecting.
Roger, I'm gonna go and get that clongan and bring him back.
Oh dear! My spacesuit's leaking. I'd better get back to the Ark and fast. Oh no! My jetpack is dead. Help! Kitty here? I'm out of air.
Hold on tight, Kitty, I'm coming!
Thank you, Jelly. I don't know what I'd have done without you.
You didn't think I was going to let my best friend drift out into space, did you? Okay, let's get you back home.
You'll have to eject. It's the green button.
We Klongons can't see colors. Which one is it?
It's the third one from the left.
We don't know how to count either.
I don't believe this. It's the biggest button.
All right. Yes, I see it. So if I pressed it, I'll be ejected into space. Is that right? Because I don't actually have a spacesuit on, and I'm not sure if I...
Oh, for bark's sake. Push that button or you're gonna blow up in 3 seconds. I've had enough. I'm gonna ditch those clongans on Mars as fast as possible.
Wise decision, Commander.
Where on earth is Jelly?
And don't let me catch you sleeping on the ship ever again! I'm sorry, Commander, for abandoning my post, but I'll never do it again, I promise.
Don't worry, Jelly. These things happen. I think the clongans have learned a lesson, too. Right. Let's get off to Mars.
I'm sorry about what I said to you, Jelly. You'll always be my best friend.
I have something to confess to you girls. I was the one who told everyone about Kitty's secret.
What? Jennifer? I can't believe you did that!
I know, but I never imagined it could cause so much trouble.
You're right about that.
Besides, I just can't help it. I'm addicted to gossip. Actually, did you know that Bob the accountant is in love with Janine the ostrich?
No, you must be joking. Oh, no!
Apparently he even has flowers sent to her every morning, but she just eats them. Bob's tearing his hair out over it.
The show is over. See you soon. Come on back. Commander Clark.
Commander, we're approaching the erupting sun, ready for observation.
Perfect. Tell Professor Kong we're nearly there. What happened?
According to my activity log, the engine's just cut off, Commander.
The engine's just cut off? We should go and see Porco.
It's clearly stated in the mechanics manual, page 5443, paragraph 8, line 3, and I quote, "The engines must be stopped every 100,000 miles to be cleaned."
But we're in the middle of a scientific mission, Porco. We're supposed to be observing the eruption.
Sorry, but the book is the book.
Is it going to take long?
At a sniff, I'd say quite a long time.
And what are we supposed to do while we're waiting?
We can give the whole Ark an overhaul.
Okay, crew. While the engines are being checked, everybody's going to do a major overhaul of their own post. Leo, you check all the small green lights. Elmer and Lionel, all the red lights. Gloria, you'll be checking and cleaning all the saucepans, frying pans, and pots on the Ark.
Oh, hey, but it'll take me forever!
More or less, yeah. Now Commander Clark and I are going to check out the hold.
Okay, everybody hop to it.
I'm so glad we can finally get to spend some more time together, Commander.
But all we ever do is spend time together, Kitty.
No, I meant you and me. Just the two of us. We never really get a chance to talk with all the excitement going on around us.
Talk about what?
I don't know. There are so many things we've never even started to talk about.
Who goes there?
You have violated Federation property. You will be put in a cell and tried at the next stopover.
Wait a minute. It's a dog. Yahoo! What's her name, buddy?
Poncho.
What a nice name. Come on, tell me everything.
I came aboard because I gotta go see my mommy.
But, Commander...
Let's make a little exception for once. Poncho's not doing any harm. So, where does your mom live? I've been keeping this packet of biscuits for a special occasion, just like this one. Woohoo!
My mom bakes cookies for me too, but these ones are much tastier.
Commander, do you want to have a little game? Foxy, I'd like to introduce you to my guest, Poncho. Hello. So, do you want to play? Foxy, Foxy, Foxy. I've got to entertain our esteemed canine guest here. What? Who? Wow, cool. We both scratch our ear exactly the same way. Look.
Wow, amazing!
Got you.
Okay, number 1, checked. Number 2...
Have you met the commander's guest? They seem to be getting along very well.
Yeah, like a pair of puppies. Ever since Poncho's been here, Clark's been ignoring all of us.
The poodle's got absolutely no style.
You're probably right, Foxy, but he is a dog, just like Clark.
Ever since that Poncho arrived, it seems Clark has found himself a new best friend. So unfair. If only I was a dog.
For once, I actually understand you, Foxy.
Really? Do you wish you were a dog too?
No, I meant I know what it's like to have someone giving you a hard time.
What's the best thing to do in situations like that?
Believe me, if I could, I'd throw all those pots and pans into deep space faster than you can blink an eye.
Level 1 message. I repeat, level 1 message. Commander Clark is needed in the control room immediately. Clark calling Poncho into the shuttle hangar for a game of hide and seek.
Hide and seek? Cool! Where is it?
I'll take you there if you like.
Okay, let's go! Is this really necessary?
Sure. Commander loves to play hide and seek out in space.
Commander! Come out, wherever you are!
Say hello to your mom for me! So, what's up? The animatronics are attacking?
No one's attacking us, Commander. Everything's calm. Maybe a little too calm, but calm.
So, why did you put an emergency call for me?
I didn't.
You didn't?
No, I didn't.
Really?
Yes, really.
Okay. Poncho! Poncho! Hey, Poncho. How you doing, buddy boy? Poncho?
Is there something the matter, Commander?
Oh, I can't find Poncho anywhere. He simply disappeared. He's probably gone to see his mother. And how would that be possible? That's what he said when I sent him into space. What? Foxy, what have you done? Me? Nothing. Foxy? Foxy? I sent him back to his mother. I'm sorry.
Why did you do it, Foxy?
Because the commander was ignoring me.
Were you jealous?
You bet I was jealous. Every time I saw you two together, it would wrench my stomach and I'd feel like bursting into tears. It was horrible. I'm your best friend, remember? Oh, Foxy, there was no reason for you to be jealous. You're still my best friend.
Really?
Yeah, it's just that, well, Poncho's a dog just like me. But you did something very serious, Foxy. Poncho was our guest. I'm suspending you until I inform you otherwise while I figure out a suitable punishment.
Commander, it's a disaster. I've located Poncho. He's heading straight for the sun.
Commander, where are you? Hello, fellows. The sun is a blazing ball of hydrogen and helium with a surface temperature of 5,500 degrees centigrade. That's even hotter than Gloria's tacos. But only just.
Don't panic, Poncho. We'll get you out of there. Full speed ahead, kitty.
The engines are still being serviced, Commander.
Oh, no! Poncho!
Poncho, my friend, my brother, where are you?
Commander! I've just finished servicing the engines, but they have to warm up before we can push them full throttle. Otherwise, they might blow up.
We don't have enough time, but we have to take the risk.
Ooh!
Full speed ahead, kitty!
Aye, aye, sir.
What was that noise, kitty?
The engines have blown up, Commander.
Oh, no! It's over! Poncho! What have I done?
We could turn on the emergency engines.
Really?
Sure, but there's no way I can get back to the engine room in time.
Gosh.
Commander, where are you?
Poncho! What have I done? My brother! Commander, what's happening? I'm scared!
Foxy? Foxy, I want you to switch on the emergency engines. It's our only chance of saving Poncho.
Me? But I don't know how!
You don't know the procedure?
Stop it, Clark! Foxy, you better learn fast. All the instructions are written in the ship's manual.
Aye, aye, Officer Kitty.
It's clearly stated in the ship's manual, page 5,445, paragraph 12, line 72.
What's the page?
Just follow your intuition, Foxy. You're on your own.
I wanted to thank you for the time I've had here on the Ark, especially you, Foxy. I've never played such a fun game of hide and seek in my whole life.
You're welcome, Poncho. It's always a pleasure to have guests on board.
So, who wants to play ball?
See you later, kitty.
Throw it to me! Why don't you ever throw it to me?
The show is over. See you soon. Come on back. Commander Clark.
Sunday, 16th of March, 2072. This is Commander Clark. Report number 478 for the attention of the International Federation.
This is unacceptable, Lionel. There's a stain on this, and... Chicken and mustard sauce! It's no big deal, Foxy. It's only a little mustard. No big deal? What do you mean, no big deal? I think the word you're looking for is disastrous! This yellow doesn't go with the blue at all!
There's nothing to report. End of report number 478 for the attention of the International Federation.
No big deal. No big deal. No big deal.
Hi, Lieutenant Foxy.
Excuse me, I don't mean to be a bother, but that soft squidgy thing you just stepped on is my tail.
Oops, sorry, Bob. I didn't see you there. No big deal. No big deal. No big deal.
General Rex, we have a problem.
What? Bread of cheese biscuits?
No, nothing that bad. We're just clean out of engine oil, that's all.
That's no big deal, Crocky.
I'm afraid it might be, General. We're all starting to get rusty.
Let's send the Special Commandos!
It's a commander's duty to show a good example. Hey! Great to have you back on post, Foxy. How about a little game of ball, huh? No, thank you. I don't want to get sweaty eyebrows, especially after putting on my wild strawberry fragrance for foxes.
Commander Clark!
Admiral Schlurp, how are you doing?
Very badly. I've just received an accounting report from Bob. The Ark is consuming way too much energy. As of today, I'm promoting Bob the accountant to the rank of Chief Energy Controller. He'll be in charge of finding ways to reduce the ship's energy consumption. You're all going to have to start penny pinching, chaps.
Okay, has anyone here seen Bob?
They don't respect me, they don't respect my work.
Bob, on behalf of the International Federation, I hereby name you Big Chief Controller of Energy.
Oh, I'd be delighted.
Officer Kitty, to save energy, I want you to bring the Ark speed down 3 notches.
10 notches. We need to save on energy.
What is this?
Oh, great! You found it! My ravioli!
Another hairdo bites the dust.
Baths are forbidden. They waste way too much water.
But that's so not fair. Besides, I only take 8 baths a day.
You'll just have to start taking showers. Cold ones, 5-second ones. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time out. Get out of here.
You think that's funny?
No! It's not what you're thinking.
Today's special, ravioli.
Ravioli? Duh.
For energy-saving purposes, the artificial gravity will be cut off several times a day.
You might want to warn us before you put the gravity back on, Bob. What in the...
Now what?
Lights will also be cut off whenever it's deemed necessary.
These restrictions are unbearable.
We had the most awful night.
Flying and falling.
Flying and falling.
Sometimes in total darkness.
I know, but we have no choice but to obey Bob. He's only enforcing Admiral Schlurp's orders. Let's look on the bright side. At least there's nothing else Bob can forbid us to do. Oh, cold ravioli for energy-saving purposes.
Down with the slug, away to the plug. Down with the slug, away to the plug. Down with the slug, away to the plug. Down with the slug, away to the plug.
Switch on the holographic camouflage. Where have they all gone? There aren't even any guards.
You.
Sorry?
Oh, He was just saying, do not panic. This is a kidnapping.
Yeah, a kidnapping. No.
Let's not get too excited. There's got to be a solution to this crisis. I totally agree. For example, we could leave Bob on a planet inhabited by savage animals that have a particular liking for accounting.
Commander Clark! We have your garbage can.
Accountants?
Yeah, right, whatever. Anyway, if you don't want to give us at least one medium can of engine oil, we'll throw him into space!
Good idea!
Hello, fellas. What is the temperature in space, you ask? If you go outside a spaceship without wearing any equipment, make sure you're wearing a sweater. Space is a pretty cold place, about minus 270 degrees in the shade.
Dear crew members, the enemy has one of ours. Are we just gonna turn our backs on him and leave him there? Yeah. Let's throw him into the void.
Good riddance to him!
Excuse me, General, but I've just had an idea. I'm sure I can use my extensive accounting experience to help you and your crew economize on your oil consumption. Then you wouldn't need to ask for a ransom anymore, and you could just, well, let me go.
Wonderful! We'll economize on the oil and demand a ransom.
Yay, yay, oh joy, yay, joy.
Let's be reasonable here. If Admiral Schlurp finds out that you left an accountant from the International Federation in the hands of the animatronics, he'll make you do an apprenticeship in accounting. Commander, I will personally volunteer to go and rescue Bob, our common friend. Thank you, gentlemen. I really appreciate your devotion.
There's a very easy way to save your precious oil. Just always move very slowly and only pronounce half of your words.
It's board station.
Good.
What are you saying?
Well done.
Intruders boarding starboard, General.
Surrender, Rex!
Aye.
What?
He means not on your life.
Okay. You've asked for it, you rusty old can. Free the accountant or we bubble you.
Fair panic attack! Faster, you bunch of idiots!
Attack! What? Bananas?
I'm afraid that for budget-saving purposes, guns have been replaced by overripe bananas.
You're done for!
Let's take off!
I've got you now!
Maybe not. Hooray, Commander! Wait for me, I'm coming!
Let's go, team! Yeah! It's over now, Rex. Just free the accountant.
All right, take him back. I don't like his stupid rules anyway.
I don't mean to be a pain, but I have something I'd like to say. Thank you.
Yippee! I order that a crazy party be thrown to celebrate.
You can have a party, but without music or laughter. The cost of my rescue was way too expensive. Only joking. Accountants have a sense of humor too, you know.
Yeah!